Hey guys, this is my ruffler foot. Ooh, shiny. So there's two ways you can set this. First is frequency of ruffle, and that's set with this thing right here. So if you go in and move it around, you can put it on the different pegs. So right here, it will not ruffle at all, and it's loose. And then if you set it to ruffle every every 12th stitch, or every 6th stitch, or every single stitch. So right now I've got it on the 6th stitch, every 6th stitch notch. And it counts those stitches on this cog wheel thing right here. You can see the little cogs. It counts them as it goes past with this little thing right there. I don't know how it does it beyond that. And then with this right here, this is the dial for how big each ruffle is. So right now it's got this little pointer set at 8. You unscrew the screw here and change it from anywhere from 0, 1. 0, by the way, does not mean no ruffle at all. It just means a very small one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Kind of skip a few numbers there. And then the fabric goes in here between these two bits here and comes out ruffly. So, I did a little sample here. Just a second, it's twisty. So, whoa, this is what it looks like if you do every 12th stitch setting 1. There's ruffles pretty infrequently, and they're pretty tiny. It's hard to tell that it's ruffly, really. Now, if you set it to a 12-8, which is how I was writing it on here, so a size 8 ruffle, still every 12th stitch, then it's like that big. It's really a quite small ruffle, but it works. And then every 6th stitch with the little size 1 ruffle looks like this. So it's definitely more frequent, but they're still pretty tiny. And then a size 8 ruffle every 6th stitch, if this thing will stop tangling around my hand, looks like this. And when you do that, you about reduce the fabric length by about half. So that's what I'm going to use for ruffling Val's skirt. And then, if you ruffle it every single stitch, even if it's only on a size 1, it's really quite ruffly. I mean, really, really ruffly. That's why this thing is so curly right now. So here's on every stitch with a size 2, and it's really, really ruffly. And then just for the fun of it, I did a size 8, because I knew it would be way, way too ruffled, but it's funny. And that's incredibly ruffly. And it has been reduced from an 8-inch strip of fabric to about 1.5 inches. Maybe it would be less than that, I think, but see right here, it didn't get ruffled at all for a moment because I was fiddling with the settings. So, I will take a separate video in a minute describing, on showing how it actually works. Yay!